Hello everyone. In this video I will introduce a machine learning application that is used to detect cyberbullying in social media. So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is a form of bullying or harassment that take place in online platforms. The cyberbullying detection system that we created is able to detect users who use online platforms to attack others by analyzing the text. We have created a web page that uses trained machine learning in the back end to evaluate the entered account and return the result of the evaluation. So let's first see how the system works. Okay, so this is the system architecture. We first need to have data to feed to our machine learning model, and this data should be cleaned before doing this step. So the first step we will have is data pre-processing. Then we will have the feature engineering, and this step will transforms the words or the documents into a bag of words and evaluate each word based on their frequency. The next step is model training. On this step we choose different models, and then we go to evaluate each model to see which one performed the best to predict our test. The next step is choosing the final model, and on this model we will have the final version of the training, and we will deploy it with Flask and connect it with Twitter API and show it on an HTML page. So once we have our final model and the system is built, we will first query the Twitter API using a username, and by that query we will retrieve the tweets from that account and feed it to the prediction model, and after that we will get the result. So if the account that was entered was having clean content, will show only the result, and if the account have offensive content, will retrieve the followers for that account and then show the result. The reason that we are retrieving the followers because we want to discover community, and by this step we will have more chances to have more people that have offensive content. So now we will go to our main page. This is the home page. We put some information about cyberbullying and some resources that people might use, and in this field we will enter any account. So on this one we will use this dummy account, and check the analysis of this account. So we submit, then this username will go to the Twitter API using our credential and retrieve the tweets from the API. We limited our retrieving to 10 tweets, but our code can retrieve up to 900 tweets. So this account has a potential offensive content, and the probability percentage is 91%. And on this box is supposed to show the followers of the account. In this case we don't have followers, and here we show the most recent tweets from the account. So these are the tweets from this account, and we clearly can see that these tweets are having some offensive content. now we will check with a different account. So we'll use a public account and see the result of this account. Okay, so this account is a clean account. It's a Elon Musk account. It's a public account, and the probability of this account is 91% that this account is a clean. So here we see the tweets. Most of the tweets are links, so there is no content on this case to analyze. And once these tweets are fed to our model, most of the content will be deleted, so there is nothing to analyze in these tweets. So now we're gonna choose a different account. So now we check this account and see the result of this account. So this account is potential bully, and the percentage is as well 91%. And here we retrieved one follower from this account because it has only one follower, which is the previous account that we analyzed. So, and here we can see the tweets, and most of the tweets are offensive tweets. So if we go back, and right now we're gonna check with the Twitter and see if our retrieving is recent. So this account, we're gonna test it in our application. And we want to see if the tweets that we got is similar to the one on the account. Okay. So it says that this account has potential offensive content, and it retrieved 10 followers, which is our limit on retrieving the followers. We can go further than 10 followers. We can retrieve all the followers of this account, but we limit it on only 10 followers. And here we will see the tweets of this account, and we can see if this account has some offensive content. So yes, here we can see maybe this content was the reason that this account was classified as offensive account. And here as well, this is also attack from the account, and maybe that's it, but it only needs one tweet to classify the account as an offensive account. So let's match the tweets. We'll see the recent one. So this is the recent one in our application, we will see on the Twitter account. So we have the same tweet. So that means all the tweets that we retrieved are current tweets. So now I want to talk about some future work that we are planning to do. The first one is deploying an advanced model that has more accuracy. In fact, we have already built this model. We used Flare text classification, and we reached 100% accuracy after 10 epochs. But the reason that we didn't deploy this model is because it's so slow in prediction, and it doesn't give the result as much fast as the current one that we have. The next point is make this application available to public by deploying it to a cloud host like Amazon Web Services. The last point is improve the responsive of this application. So right now we have a partially responsive application which we designed on HTML page, and we want to make it available on multiple mobile devices. So this is our project, and we hope this project can stop or minimize cyberbullying on social media. Thank you.